Hey, taco lovers. Winter's here. Sun clocks out at 6 p.m. And your brain's like, hey, what if we just didn't? Well, today we're fighting back with something bright and spicy. Tofu Chorizo Verde Tacos. Okay. And we're also talking about three small but powerful things that you can do this winter to keep your will to live nice and toasty.
So today's taco is built around this absolutely delicious Verde Chorizo Paste from Hess Street Foods. It's plant-based, it's punchy, and it's basically a cheat code for weeknight dinners. I'm pairing it with crumpled tofu to make a fast, bright, protein-packed chorizo that wakes up your taste buds, which is perfect because winter tries to put everything to sleep.
And while this tofu soaks up that Verde goodness, we're going to talk about something real. Winter depression or seasonal affective disorder. If the season hits you hard, you are not alone. Seasonal affective disorder affects 2 to 6% of the population. And you're not broken. You're a human with a brain that misses sun, warmth, and activity. One thing I love about tacos is that they never get dull. When everything feels gray and heavy, we can still build something colorful, spicy, and with a lot of texture. And that's the philosophy behind today's wellness segment.
In her book, A Pity Party is Still a Party, therapist Chelsea Harvey Garner talks about doing things that bring a little bit of liveliness back into dark seasons. Not to fix yourself, but to genuinely stay connected to joy, community, and movement. First up, Town Crier Choir. This is a no judgment singing circle where the goal isn't vocal perfection, it's just making noise together. Pick songs with meaning, sing them badly, sing them joyfully, sing them like your heart needs to hear itself. If winter has you feeling small, singing with other people is surprisingly good at reminding you that you still exist. Second, dancing with myself. Host or join a low pressure ecstatic dance gathering. No choreography, no talking, no worrying if you're good. Just move for whatever you're carrying that day. Open the gathering by inviting everyone to say their name and what they're dancing for. Close by sharing how you feel now. It's wild how much shifts when your body gets to talk for you. And finally, the will to live walk. If everything feels heavy, you don't need a workout. You just need to wander. Put on a coat, step outside, and just walk. No destination, just noticing. Your brain is a snow globe, and walking is the gentle shake that gets everything swirling again.
And just like that, your winter got a little bit brighter with a taco that's vibrant enough to wake up your soul, and 3 practices to help push back against seasonal heaviness. Try one of these this week. Make one of these tacos. And remember, small acts of aliveness count. If you try these tacos or any of these wellness steps, let me know which one lit you up the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone whose winter could use a little heat. See you next week.